Amazon's early Black Friday deals are here, and they've never been this huge. Even before the official Black Friday rush, Amazon has slashed prices on 30 must-have products, with discounts of up to 90% off. Stick around till the end for your chance to grab top gadgets, home essentials, and more at jaw-dropping prices. All the deal links are in the description below. Our first deal features this electric snowblower, now 14% off, priced at $2,071, down from $2,420. It blasts snow up to 60 feet using dual Ego ARC lithium batteries, clears wide paths with its 28-inch width, and offers self-propelled steering, heated handles, and an electronic chute control for smooth, effortless winter cleanup. Our second deal features the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus battery, now 40% off, priced at $60, down from $100. It delivers crisp 2K video with low-light sight for clear night views, supports two-way talk through Alexa, and offers flexible mounting options with multiple power choices for all-around home security. Our third deal features the Dyson V9 motor bar, now 55% off, priced at $270, down from $600. This lightweight powerhouse offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction, an LCD screen for real-time performance, and a motor bar head that deep cleans all floors while detangling hair with ease. Our fourth deal features the Bissell Carpet Deep Cleaner, now 11% off, priced at $85, down from $95. It tackles tough stains and pet messes on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, includes a HydroRinse hose tool with a powerful stain remover formula, and helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation with every purchase. Our fifth deal features the Roborock Robot Vacuum and Mop, now 40% off, priced at $900, down from $1,500. It delivers powerful 22,000 PA suction with AI obstacle detection, uses hot water to sanitize mops, navigates with precision through tight spaces, and comes with an advanced self-cleaning dock for effortless maintenance. Our sixth deal features the Eero 7 dual-band mesh Wi-Fi 7 router, now 20% off, priced at $280, down from $350. It delivers lightning-fast Wi-Fi 7 speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, supports over 120 devices, eliminates dead zones with true mesh technology, and future-proofs your home network with advanced multi-link performance. Our seventh deal features the JBL Tune 720 BT, now 50% off, priced at $45, down from $90. These wireless Bluetooth 5.3 headphones deliver powerful JBL pure bass sound, customizable EQ through the JBL app, and hands-free calls with voice aware for a clear, comfortable listening experience all day long. Our eighth deal features the Ninja Professional Blender, now 43% off, priced at $80, down from $140. It packs a powerful 1,100 watt motor for crushing ice and blending smoothies, includes an XL 72-ounce pitcher and 2 to-go cups, and offers versatile speeds with dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Our ninth deal features the Hisense 50-inch E 64K UHD TV, now 42% off, priced at $219, down from $380. It delivers stunning QLED color with Dolby Vision and Atmos, supports every major HDR format, includes built-in Fire TV with Alexa, and automatically adjusts brightness with its smart AI light sensor for perfect viewing anytime. Our 10th deal features the HP 15.6-inch laptop, now 27% off, priced at $300, down from $410. It offers an intuitive HD touchscreen, AMD Ryzen processor with Radeon graphics, fast 128GB SSD storage, and 8GB RAM, and built-in privacy features including a camera shutter and microphone mute button. Our 11th deal features the Ninja Portable Glass Air Fryer, now 28% off, priced at $159, down from $220. It includes multiple glass containers for small to large batches, offers 5 cooking functions including Max Crisp and Air Fry, features thermal shock-resistant borosilicate glass, and comes with leak-proof lids for safe on-the-go use. Our 12th deal features the Bose Bluetooth headphones, now 30% off, priced at $299, down from $429. They deliver immersive spatial audio with custom tune, feature advanced noise cancellation modes, offer up to 24 hours of battery life, and include touch controls and a built-in microphone for clear calls and seamless playback. Our 13th deal features the Wolfbox 3000A Jump Starter, now 41% off, priced at $110, down from $187. It combines a powerful 3000A Jump Starter with a fast air compressor, doubles as a 16,000 mAh power bank, includes a 400 lumen LED flashlight, and works reliably in extreme cold with multiple safety protections. Our 14th deal features the Grasso Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat, now 20% off, priced at $264, down from $330. It grows with your child from rear-facing to backless booster, offers advanced Protect Plus safety, features a no-rethread harness and multiple recline positions, and ensures easy, secure installation with latch and belt lock-off systems. Our 15th deal features the Samsonite Omni 2 luggage with wheels, now 40% off, priced at $240, down from $400. This set includes carry-on and check-size spinners, features a durable scratch-resistant polycarbonate shell, smooth multi-directional wheels for effortless travel, and organized interiors with dividers and cross straps. Our 16th deal features the Sony 43-inch 4K Ultra HD TV, now 16% off, priced at $418, down from $500. It offers Google TV with voice control, stunning 4K HDR with Dolby Vision and Atmos, Triluminos Pro for lifelike colors, and intelligent upscaling with 4KX Reality PRO for enhanced detail in every scene. Our 17th deal features the Achon Ignition 2.0 mid-back task chair, now 15% off, priced at $406, down from $477. It offers ergonomic lumbar support with Synchrotilt recline, breathable mesh back, adjustable armrests and seat height, and a contoured cushion for all-day comfort and productivity. Our 18th deal features the Ninja 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven, now 34% off, priced at $250, down from $380. It offers 10 versatile cooking functions including air fry and roast, true surround convection for faster, crispier results, extra large capacity for family-sized meals, and a smart thermometer for precise, effortless cooking. Our 19th deal features the Segway 9Bot E2 Plus electric scooter, now 24% off, priced at $280, down from $370. It offers up to 16 miles of range, beginner-friendly controls with smooth acceleration, durable construction for all-season use, and shock-absorbing tires for a comfortable, stable ride. Our 20th deal features this compact 88-note digital piano, now 27% off, priced at $400, down from $550. It delivers rich, expressive tones with Roland's supernatural engine, realistic acoustic-style keys, built-in speakers for full sound, and MIDI Bluetooth connectivity for seamless recording and practice. Our 21st deal features the Achon Volt Standing Desk Chair, now 22% off, priced at $279, down from $359. It offers ergonomic V-shaped support with a footrest, center tilt recline with adjustable tension, durable bonded leather construction, and a compact design perfect for home or office setups. Our 22nd deal features the Ninja Knife System with Sharpener, now 22% off, priced at $280, down from $360. It includes German stainless steel blades with razor-sharp precision, an ergonomic handle for comfortable control, a premium walnut-stained block, and a built-in sharpener for long-lasting edge maintenance. Our 23rd deal features the Jackery Portable Power Station, now 39% off, priced at $159, down from $259. It delivers 293 watt-hours of safe, stable power with multiple outlets and USB ports, recharges quickly via wall, car, or solar panel, and powers up to 6 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for camping or off-grid adventures. Our 24th deal features the Anker Solix Portable Power Station, now 11% off, priced at $398, down from $449. It delivers 2,000 watts output to power up to 10 devices, recharges ultra-fast in 49 minutes or via solar in 1.8 hours, is compact and portable, and includes smart app control with UPS backup for reliable off-grid or emergency use. Our 25th deal features this oil radiator heater for indoor use, now 16% off, priced at $55, down from $65. It provides 3 adjustable heat settings, long-lasting oil-filled fins for consistent warmth, quiet operation, and portable caster wheels for easy movement around your home or office. Our 26th deal features this smart portable electric heater, now 73% off, priced at $64, down from $240. It offers 4 heating modes with fast PTC ceramic warming, smart app, and voice control with scheduling, multiple safety protections including child lock and tip-over shutdown, and quiet oscillation for consistent, comfortable heat. Our 27th deal features the LG 32-inch 4K UHD computer monitor, now 33% off, priced at $200, down from $300. It delivers stunning 4K HDR visuals with up to 90% DCI-P 3-color gamut, built-in max audio speakers, an ergonomic adjustable stand, and gaming features like dynamic action sync and black stabilizer for enhanced performance. Our 28th deal features this digital microwave oven, now 15% off, priced at $85, down from $100. It offers 10 power settings with 700 to 1050 watts cooking, pre-programmed buttons for quick meals, a large LED display with child safety lock, and a removable glass turntable for easy cleaning. Our 29th deal features the Sony Alpha FX3, now 5% off, priced at $3,998, down from $4,195. It delivers 4K full-frame video with over 15 stops of dynamic range, S-Cinetone color for cinematic quality, 4K 120p 10-bit recording, and a compact, cage-free design with versatile mounting options and in-body cooling for uninterrupted filming. Our 30th deal features the S48 wireless earbuds, now an incredible 90% off at $19.99, down from $200. They deliver hi-fi immersive sound, 95% noise-canceling calls, Bluetooth 5.4 with low latency connection, IPX7 water resistance, 42 hours of total battery life with LED power display, ergonomic fit with 3 sizes of ear tips, and come with a USB-C charging cable, plus an 18-month warranty. So that's a wrap on today's 30 hidden early Black Friday deals on Amazon. If you spot any products we missed, drop a comment and we'll feature them in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they disappear.